Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will be delving into the fascinating world of animals, exploring their habitats, behaviors, and unique characteristics. Join us as we embark on this educational journey to learn more about the incredible creatures that share our planet. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. Sheep are fluffy animals that live on farms. They love to eat grass and have soft woolly coats that keep them warm. Sheep say "ba" to talk to each other, and their wool can be used to make cozy sweaters and blankets. Next time you see a sheep, remember to say a hello. Look at that majestic horse. Horses are strong and majestic animals that love to run and play. They have long tails and manes that flow in the wind. Horses come in many colors, like brown, black, and white. People ride horses for fun and even in races. They eat hay, grass, and special horse food called oats. Horses are friendly creatures that make great companions. Here's the king of the jungle. Lions are strong animals with golden fur and big, bushy manes. They live in groups called prides and roar loudly to communicate. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are amazing creatures that rule the savannah. Hey, little explorers! Now get ready to waddle into the wonderful world of ducks. From their fluffy feathers to their quacking calls, we're diving into the duck pond to learn all about these adorable waterfowl. Let's quack our way through some fun facts and discover what makes ducks so special. Hey! Today, we're heading to the pasture to meet our gentle friends, the cows. From their big brown eyes to their mootastic milk, we'll learn all about these lovable creatures. So grab your cowboy hat and let's mosey on down to the barn to explore the world of cows. Are you ready? Let's movie it! See, little explorers. Now, we're visiting the hen house to meet some clucky friends, the hens. From their colorful feathers to their tasty eggs, we'll learn all about these busy birds. So, gather round and let's chirp, chirp, chirp our way through some fun facts about hens. Ready to start our feathery adventure? Let's get cracking! Get ready to climb the mountains and hills with our playful friends, the goats. From their curly horns to their love for climbing, we'll explore what makes these animals so unique and fun. So put on your hiking boots, and let's trot along on this hooftastic journey into the world of goats. Ready to leap into the fun? Let's go! Friends, we're going to meet a special friend called a zebra. Zebras are beautiful animals with black and white stripes all over their bodies. They look like they're wearing cozy pajamas, don't they? Zebras live far away in a place called Africa, where they run and play with their friends. Let's wave hello to the friendly zebras and learn more about them together. Now, we're going to meet a special friend called a deer. Deer are gentle animals that live in the forest. They have big, kind eyes and soft fur. Sometimes, you might see them hopping and playing in the woods with their families. Let's say hello to the friendly deer. Let's meet a friendly wolf today. Wolves have beautiful fur and live in the forest with their families. They like to howl and play together. Ready to say hello to our wolf friend? Let's go on a fun adventure. We had so much fun meeting all these amazing animals. Remember to be kind to all creatures big and small. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye for now.